Okay, so here we're gonna do a situation where the breakaway tip is gonna get triggered. We're gonna have to reset the machine. Okay, so you see how the tip is bent off to the side. So it got reset in the middle of a Z sequence, or sometimes it's just you're trying to focus on something but you don't land on the actual piece. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shut the machine off. And then behind the machine I have a screwdriver for just this particular situation. And we need to remove the front panel of the machine. And I just keep one screw here so that it's easy to take this panel out. Alright, then there's a belt. You can see the belt down there. I've got to pull that just very carefully. And the bed is going to lower. I'm lowering the bed until the breakaway tip is not bent over anymore. And then that's actually it. So then I can put this back on. And so this happens a lot. It probably happens weekly, if not more frequently. So don't be surprised if this happens. Then I turn the machine back on. And you can see the breakaway tip is now in completely vertical again. But it's intended for it to be able to break away if the machine gets in a position where it doesn't have the proper Z height.